Danija. Hey peeps, how are you doing? Right now I'm coming to show you how to actually get your own branded logo onto your social media and also like onto your business website and everything. So it's a quick video. I'm recording this from my house, from my room. And yeah, so it's really easy, really simple. So I started up a couple of years ago, and I know that a lot of people are bootstrapping in the same way. So the very, very best thing you can do is definitely to work with a web developer, web programmer. That gets you the very best results and best quality. Nobody's going to lie about that. However, I understand when you're starting, the purse strings are a little bit tight, you need to save money, you need to do a whole bunch of stuff, and you're doing it on your own from your kitchen table, and you're looking to build a 6 or 7 figure business. So that's why I'm giving you this alternative option. To type in brand logo design, and that's what I'm going to type in. So a quick tip is basically look for people that have a lot of ratings and also have good quality reviews and high feedback. So between 4-star to 5-star. You can see right away the top ones on here have got this person has, I will design a visual identity and logo for your brand, 69 reviews, 4-star, and they're going to give you the best that they can do for sure. So for another example, I will animate your brand, 110 reviews, 5-star. That's a bomb one. I probably would recommend like checking that one out. Yeah, so really, really simple. Another tip is it should not take longer than a week. Never, never, never. So whatever you're doing with a website or with like getting graphics done, I do not see why it would take longer than a week. Nothing has ever taken me longer than a week, not even getting my website done. So yeah, you know, in startup phase, I just don't see why you would wait. I don't know why people wait weeks for a logo or months for a website. That is like, what? That is cray-cray. Definitely no need to do that. Like the person I work with just this week to do my daughter's logo, did it within about 12 hours. She got me the first draft in 12 hours, and I'm going to show you how that looks. So you can see like I really do this as well. Let me show you. So this is an example. This is for my daughter's YouTube channel. So shout out to my daughter Kalia. She's got her own YouTube channel, and I commissioned the artwork for her channel. Proud mom. So this is an example. Her channel is a kids channel, so that's why this image is really vibrant, really bright, and it's using her image because it's for her own kiddie channel where she talks about toys and a whole bunch of fun stuff. So your brand and your logo depends on your style and what you're looking for. My personal brand is Tax Twerk, so that's really like just clear, bold writing. Is quite different. Or, to be honest, I normally just use my photo of myself with no cartoon or anything for my own work. So yeah, think about the style you're going for and go ahead and look into getting your logo done to build your credibility, to show that you are really serious about your business and you're going to be here long term. And I hope that you found that useful. You can actually go ahead and get started. If you do have questions, put it in the comments. If you want to know more about building your online business and how to get things done super quick, bootstrapping, guerrilla marketing, all that good stuff. And I'll be happy to help you. Remember to subscribe so I can see you again next time on my channel. And also hit the thumbs up. Lots of love. Deuces.